Alright, I picked up the OnePlus 6T carbon fiber cover. Carbon with the K bumper case. Originally, when I bought my OnePlus 6T in San Francisco, they had this. I want to say it was like $39, and I thought that was too expensive, so I bailed. And it comes with its own case, which is honestly pretty good, especially for like an in-the-box case. I mean, it's solid. It's fingerprinting, of course. And there's really no reason to get this. I'm just kind of an asshole that needs to have cool stuff. And so, once I saw it, it ate me alive that I didn't actually get it. So, I got it. I had to go to, I'm back in Kentucky now. It took 3 T-Mobile stores to find this guy. And I don't think any of them had the actual OnePlus 6. You can see how fingerprinting that is. So this will give you an idea. So I think I paid $34.99 for this thing. So I really should have just bought it in San Francisco, I guess. But it's cheaper on the actual OnePlus site. But you don't know. I don't know if you got to pay shipping on there or not. But they also have those bundle deals, like get 2 types for 1. Now this is very firm, rigid. So this will offer a lot of protection, probably. So that does not. And I like the way it feels. I had a Moto Z Force Moto Z Max. One of those original, not the Moto Z's, the Moto Max. One of those old Moto phones. Alright, so here's my Note 9. So again, you can see the size. This is back in my regular Nimbus 9 case. I put the hardcore Samsung Galaxy rugged case on there whenever I'm traveling. But when I'm around the home, I just use this Nimbus case because it's cool looking. The OnePlus 6T. It's pretty cool. I actually still haven't fully transitioned over. I'm going to right now. Alright, but it's pretty impressive battery. I mean, we're still at 50%. I don't think I've charged this thing since I've left San Francisco. Let's use these little wipes. I show these everyone in my videos because they're cool. They work great. So you can see it slips right on in there, I think. Oh yeah. And it's got some protection there. There, now it looks cool. It's not a fingerprint magnet. You can lay it face down or on the back without getting the camera hit. Still gets all your services just fine. Left thumb still is not super quick. You see how my face there didn't get my thumb. It was just my face. So yeah, I got my face again. I need to, so I'm gonna try not to look at it. So see, like my left thumb does not work very well, and I've recorded it twice. That one works fine, but the face look is so fast. Like I'm looking past the camera here, and it'll still see me, and boom. Isn't that crazy? Boom. Boom. And initially I was kind of annoyed it didn't have always on display, but this one works pretty good. It comes on whenever you pick it up. It's kind of like the old Motos used to do. Anytime you pick it up, it shows you something. And this little faint look is pretty cool. I'm gonna make a longer video with size comparisons, but again, this is my Note 9 next to my OnePlus 6T. Here's my old LG Stylo 3 Plus. That was a good phone. It's a big boy though. 5.7 inch screen. 16 by 9. You can see how much better it looks compared to these guys. So yeah, as you can see, there's your notifications pop up. You can double tap like an LG. Apparently not. Pretty cool looking phone. I'm liking this case a lot. Alright, that's all.